Hakajing persang ban Kyntiew ki nong Seng Lade tam ki Kynthei ka fabulous family store. Sashi sen kala Pynlong ya ka yo ya de thiet ka bla tip kum ka women's market ha All Saints Hall Shillong. Ya ka dinga yo ya de thiet las dam ka sngi ka sautre ulber araja arpusan bat ka ban pen kot pat ha ka pratre ulber araja arpusan. Bat ka ni ka de ka sen ka basau ka ba ka fabulous family store kala Pynlong ya ka. Hakan ka yo kiran kumba Stanport League dukan jong ki long kme ki bala wan na keleng ki district ban pen I perthaya ki jan thong ki bala so hi ki tiar ki bala pen wan dor hi na lor ki we Hakajia kran bat ka kong Nadia dakhar ka bade ka try jong ka fabulous family store kala ong ba ka jing Pynlong ya kaning ka yo ka long ban Kyntiew ya ki long kme ki ba Seng Lade khnang bakin la ban pen I perthai yala ka kam ka ba ki le
Kani ko women's market kadai lang bat kani ka Shillong local trade fair kumba pitip ba ka fabulous family store ka jule kani ka yo aman la ubnai na bentai kini ki nong song song juni khamtam ki Kynthei lani ki local entrepreneurs mo Kynthei bat rang ti hakani ka Kynthei pede ni kwa bande kham ka pang mo na ma ba ha ka pratrik kala de ka women's day mo ba baro ka prathai ki rakhi tingi ong tong ni ai ka teng no da ka women's market Baha ka ba kini ki Kynthei ki ru Kynthei jungi na ka jilla jungi kini ki ba shlur ki ba wan banya shim bentahan ni ka jingi di jingi thiet ki ba mi na la ki yeng mo khamtam ki ba duk ba kin yo wan ra ki tiar jung ki ba baro ba kin yo ban yara ban thiet kum ki tu ki ba wan mo ki nong Shillong jungi ki ba shi support ni ki ju wan ni ki thiet ne kini ki nong Seng Lade ki Kynthei khamtam te ha ni Kynthei ru ki wan na keleng jo ka Meghalaya pinde yo I mo pin yo I ki store ti ho takadang ni ai ka women's market ka long la do mentah si sautrek hadu pratrek hadu si sajan ni le sansni kenapa kan suk ini ko wana jingai ru kan mo kan khambyang kan ka yo ye ki ru te ki ba mlat ru ki la ban wan la shai la shisni ki ba wan thi jing thi nang ni tingi dan hadu komba san post stalls ye te ka pa ki nong song snong komba ki jula ki man ka por mo kini ki nong Shillong jingi ki juyarap ingi te ha kan ka Kynthei ru so ba pan ya wan ban ya rakhi ban ya snok ti lang bat ni mo hang ni ha All Saints for pin you I but pin da so kuman pin da so tanat ba pin you I ba ki Kynthei jungi mo kat no ka jing trace tom jong ki bat kat no ka jing start ka talent ba ki don ki wan ra ki tiang ki ba than ki ba ki jat ngam nom batai yawan hi ban yawan pet mo khamdam mi kishan rang jungi nang ni na rajala Meghalaya ngayo where one ban ai kata ka jing san ran ingi ki Kynthei mo ki nong Seng Lade one pet ikini ki Kynthei
te kumba na ai ni kan dai so ban kili pa do to age kat no pade kan ni ka market ikan nyarap ni kini ki wan dia kan ni ka
menta ba la south nam ni la le ni ai be ka Shillong local trade fair ka ba ka fabulous families to khale ni le shi sien chi banai ting le hadu ba mla shu ban pendap ti kini na ma ka All Saints kam de ka chaka ba he than ro ngin da shim e ka no ting hab le ar sien chi banai ka yarap la da de ba kamera kan sudan se south nam ngidang sudah ban celebrate mo mention nam state central patu bia cover Katu ni celebrate hostam. Lara de shisha ba kamera matrai nadu menungi la. Long nyim nom la kan ban punya. Ayu bikin wan kinong Seng nadu na jingai. Kin wan kinong Seng kini ki bom tentukan yang kin wan bu lara umya. Te kaya ru nomor belai. Ki la bande ki tiar jong ki ru nomor de na kinong Shillong jo Shillong nomor ba kilatip ba ka fabulous kan dan si sen chimnai ka yo mut kilayo wan bet. Kata kan ka Pynlong mo bakan long kata ka balong successful ken kata ka fair ka local fair
Hakajing yo banyakran bat kat tu kat ni ki balai one mission benta hakani ka yo kila pen pau bakal long shisha ka bayarap yaki haki babun ki liang
Kerteng juga ada ko ngerebeka nomrom kasnong pate na undok kha siar bangade ngadi kita kisol bastem kine ki moklor bahe bat moklor barit jong senrang bat ngadi bat kita kisol bali ki bahe ki badau yang rendia dengan di rubat kine ki siol ki dhara baro bat hanji ngeya than baro si yeng bat hanya kene ka dhara de kun khatlu ba ngasaj wan ha kine ki yeu imat ladon hi sip heusin
adu kan nu pak layar iki bang
hadu ba ngela yo ban sinaga yen ngiyo ruban bang ngiyo ruban sana ka bentaki kun ban le school ha baro ke liang ijo jing yarap na kene ka bat hanjan na kata ka ngisnge penat ha ban hanjan
te hatu ha ka senang ik dan ya ke dukan ni ki dia kini kiar lani kali tang hang ni PTA ni dia
Teng-teng da ki order nilai bu sia wedding. Namarba balai bangi sedang ban Seng yaga group lane bantan ngiyo jing yarap na poka departemen jongga handlung. Ki ayang ikum ki mesin kum ki ksai ki ajing yarap subun mensualilei bompat pun bathanjan ki sim hadu da ki spateli ta kadau ni yo ban sinayen na kata kadau bangi singap tenat ha ban than ban ri knyang ban le ya kine ki jan dhara ha ki babun rupa.
My name is Rohan Philam. I'm a social activist from Manipur, and these are all students from different colleges of Shillong. We actually don't have a store name or anything. We are doing a campaign called Support Manipur, where all these items which are made by the internally displaced person, which means the war affected people of recent Manipur violence. So we have trained them to make certain items like tea bags, perfumes, and some cosmetic items, even shops, detergents and all. So we have trained them to make these items, and we are going all over India district-wise and doing this campaign called Support Manipur. So I'm a social activist who has initiated this campaign, and the students are taking as a volunteer here, and they're coming batch-wise and shift-wise, and they are doing a sales process. So it's all about for the charity of Manipur and humanitarian cause of Manipur. And what we believe is that instead of begging and asking for donations, it's better that we make them train with all these things. And there's a good saying in English that instead of giving them fish, teach them how to fish. So we're teaching them how to fish also through that. So that's the campaign. So it goes like this. So the entrepreneurs. So basically, how we started this campaign was we spoke to all the entrepreneurs of Manipur, like the tea, the perfumes, the makeup item, the shop. We started speaking to all the entrepreneurs, and we met the employees to be internally displaced persons. So there are almost like 50 to 70% of them are from the internally displaced persons. So then it can be called items made by the internally displaced person. So otherwise, like we just take the name of IDP and then we come and bring some items by the other entrepreneur. That doesn't make sense. So we have requested the entrepreneurs to make them build this. So it's a kind of that once these items are in a sales process, their salaries are also in a constant and a good position also. And from the profit margin, like we are not getting much of that. I mean, like all the travel charges and everything, it's by my own pocket money only. So they are also giving a little bit of percentage to get my expenses on the travel expenses. Other 20-30% we give it for the students specially, because right now what we believe is the most affected people in this violence are students. So I mean, at the end of the day, students are the pillars of tomorrow's future nation. If we don't train them, if we don't teach them proper education, then like we won't be able to grow to a proper society. So what we more believe is like government is there to give them rice or whatever eatables and all these dals and daily materials. But when it comes to education, like they'll have to buy books, necessary items regarding books. So sometimes there are stuffs that they cannot request from their side. So we kind of give that all areas, and we kind of merge all the areas. So I mean, like this shop is from a different company again. This eatable is from a different company again. This is from a different company again. So what we are trying to do is like we are also learning from the process. First time when we came to All Sense, that was in the month of February. Like we were able to sell good. That time also the same question was there, like to give card and to give the whereabouts also. We were not able to give it. Now we have learned that at least if we could circulate a card and all, business card and all, then they can contact us in future. And also we could start speaking up with some of the departmental stores here. We could give them with as a distributors and all. We are also doing that. And also at the end of the day, this is not just buying stuff, but like you are empowering the internally displaced people way back in Manipur. So I would really appreciate the people of Shillong and Meghalaya to please come and support this campaign also, especially the Support Manipur campaign. Yeah, thank you.
Kadai iba eswaji, tega steng joka dukatwa kadai la ijok. Ni ngide ki mostly ki handmade products, tegi bo roti jewelry, ki handmade products to scrunchies, ki bows, makhani, dan ki plushies when Manipur. Then jewelry ki establishment. But di Komadia fabulous family store la South Namputan. Te yarap te kala yarap shibun. Namar kundi komandan dukan. Te hamni ngi kendo shibun ki breu along shibun la exposure ni. Te natahi ke exposure nata ngi kendo breu te kadang bet every time namar ba item pair bet te kadang bet nak wing posh ko pon kadang te kajimutan.
My name is Mishmi Mazumdar. My firm name is Excel Collection, and right here we are here with the Khasi Dharas. We have the original also, we have the Banaras also. So here this is our own brand of ice cream. We are the manufacturers, we are processing it by ourselves. Okay, and even the waffle cones we are producing it by ourselves right here. Here you can see the waffle machine also, and we are doing it right here on spot. I am here with Fabulous Family Store. I am connected since last 1 year, and I started from here. I must say this, I started from here. I got good grab of customers. Some customers, if they don't get me here, they call us also. Like we got this from here, I must say. So it has helped us a lot.
Okay, regarding the food items, so do you have any like and how do you sell it to the people like?
Right now we don't have any offline store for the ice cream. Getting an ice cream, you have to basically come here at the stall. Okay, and we are looking forward for this thing, no, like shop maybe in PB or in Limo, like in a part of the city. Okay.
Habatin, pej bahagi Kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.